Okay, I just ran a diagnostics on my Volkswagen CC and found out that it actually has a bad camshaft position sensor. And today I'm going to show you how to actually change that sensor on a 2013 CC. So the first thing you have to do is actually take the cap off here. I'm going to pop this off because there's 4 little pieces that you pop off here. And if you can see the sensor, it's actually right here. I'm going to move the camera over just a little bit so you can see it. Is this right here? That is your camshaft control sensor. And so what I'm going to do is replace that. And I have another one that I've actually purchased and that I'm going to get here. I was actually able to find one for only about $22. Well, actually it's $24 after tax. And so I'm going to just kind of show you what it looks like new. It's a small little part. And I'm going to change it out, if you can see that. I'm just going to change that out real quick. And so, got a small little tool here that I have to use to actually get this out. So I'm going to kind of move the camera over so you can see what I'm doing here. But I'm going to go in and pop this loose here. And flip the other end around so I can get this little screw out. I don't want to drop it down here, so holding it with my other hand so that I don't drop the screw down in the motor. You can't find it down here, so let's see. Alright, so I got that out there. I'm gonna pop this little piece off here. Hold that down. And I'm gonna let me just pull it out, see if I can't pull this out real quick. Yeah, pull that out, and then if I can't get this little piece off here. It just pops out. There we go. I'm gonna pop this out. That's my little sensor there. I'm gonna change it out and then test this again and see if everything's okay. Hopefully I can get rid of this engine light. I'm gonna take this little piece here and I'm gonna actually go ahead and see if I can clean up around there. Take it and push it in here real good, nice and good. Look like it fits okay. And take my little screw. I can get it back in here and tighten it up there. And that looks like it's good and tight. And take my little piece here, slide it in, pop it back on. There we go, snaps in. And that's it. That's how you change a camshaft sensor on a 2013 CC. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna pop it back in. You actually have 4 little pieces here that snaps into the bottom of here, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those in. And There we go. That's it. Job done.